Simplify the expression square root of 1 minus sine squared theta over tan theta, where theta is an acute angle. So we've got this expression, so we need to use some of the Pythagorean relationships. We know that sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. So it's going to give that cos squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared. So this will be the square root of cos squared theta. And then tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So this becomes sine theta over cos theta. If you take the square root of something that you squared, you end up with just cos theta. And then when you're dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So it's going to be times cos theta over sine theta. So it's going to give cos squared theta over sine theta. Or you could write this as 1 minus sine squared theta over sine theta, just to get it in terms of sine only. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to simplify a trigonometric expression using a Pythagorean relationship. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.